Hello and welcome to Managing Your Gallery Artwork in the Notion for Artists template. So now we've already finished the journaling, research, application, and process of getting into the gallery, but we're only halfway there. Now we have to do the important part of following through on our commitment and building a strong relationship with our galleries to help take the best of this opportunity and use it to leverage for future opportunities. And the key to this is actually quite simple. We need to stay on top of our work, make sure we understand where pieces are so we can best show up and be a good partner to a gallery, so in turn they will be a good partner to us and our career and help us achieve our goals. So what we've done is we've made this managing your artwork section that is a continuation of the studio practice section. What does that mean? That means that this card here has the same information, the same notes that we have worked on in previous sections, building a piece of art from idea to in progress to finish. So now that it's finished in our inventory, we used a property tag called gallery. And we made gallery name, to start off this template, put gallery 1 for your first gallery, gallery 2, and 3, which is somewhat self-explanatory. Now that we've gotten into a gallery, we should change the name to reflect it. The easiest way is to click on the name of the gallery and type in the name. So in place of gallery 1, it could be, our example earlier was Bonner David. And then you can click up here. So what we've done is we have this main view where you can see all the pieces in gallery 1, all the pieces in gallery 2, all the pieces in gallery 3. Here, we've done a simplified view where you just see gallery 1, just see gallery 2, just see gallery 3, because the amount of pieces you might have would vary. Here it's a good overview, but it may get overwhelming depending on how many galleries you have. So again, to return to naming them, if you want to change the name of the first view, simply click on it, go over to the ellipses, and change the name. Now, when we really want to dive in and stay on top of our work, it's more than just seeing where our work is. We need to know what are the potential pieces. Here, we filter out all pieces that are in progress or done. Here, we can see the current pieces. Right now, we don't have any in gallery 1, and then we can see what pieces were previously there. So this way we can see, what are available, what's there, and what have we previously given, so we don't accidentally give pieces we've already done. It's not the biggest faux pas, but we want to make sure that if we're returning a piece, we know it's successful, but we also know how does a piece work at different galleries? What was successful? What were the pieces that sold, and what were the pieces that didn't? That's why we have available in gallery and sold as the statuses for this view, so that way you can show up and say, okay, out of my work, the work that's seeming to sell are these pieces, and these pieces. What's the common thread? Is that something I need to be conscious of when feeding my gallery by what works I give? Or is this important feedback to hear what elements is really resonating with my audience? So we hope that managing your gallery artwork can be an important tool to help you not just get into galleries, but to thrive with them. Thank you.